When asked about the dreamiest or the most beautiful country in the world, most people will say Switzerland. And it is true. With a good happiness index, gorgeous landscapes, and an impressive quality of life, Switzerland is a promising country. But have you ever thought of practicing as a nurse in this beautiful country? You would be surprised to know that Switzerland is among the top 5 highest paying countries for nurses in the world. But how can you become a nurse in Switzerland? Hi, I'm Priyanka from Academically, and today I'm going to share with you the pathway to become a registered nurse in Switzerland. Do you know how much nurses earn here in Switzerland? The average annual salary of a nurse in Switzerland is 82,400 CHF. That is nearly equal to 77 lakh INR. Isn't that impressive? So, to become a registered nurse in Switzerland, you have to follow a pathway. And the first and the foremost step to following that pathway is to create an account on precheck.ch. After this, you have to complete the mandatory training here and submit major documents. And these documents include nursing related educational qualification, higher and secondary education documents. Then comes the Swiss Red Cross. You have to send all the documents to them, and after your pre-check is done, the Swiss Red Cross will send you an application form for your recognition request. Along with the application, you have to submit certified photocopies of the documents that they request. The application fee for all this process is 600 CHF, which is approximately 56,000 INR. Now the assessment process will begin. Within a few months, they decide whether you are allowed for a direct training or you have to take compensatory measures. If it is not a direct training, then you have to do any of the following. Number 1 is adaptation course. Second is additional training course. Third is aptitude test. And this all is done to make sure that your education is equivalent and meets Swiss standards. After your document assessment, you have 2 years to complete the requirement set by the Swiss Red Cross. If you do not complete everything in 2 years, you will have to start from the scratch again. So once the course or training has been completed, submit the evidence to the agency along with 130 CHF. Now, in case of direct decision, pay the agency 330 CHF and register with NAREG. NAREG means NAREG, which stands for National Register of Healthcare Profession. The fee for NAREG registration is 130 CHF. Now, after the registration is completed, Swiss Red Cross SRC will send you a letter that states that your qualifications match the Swiss nursing requirements. Now, after this process, there comes the language test. Unlike most of the countries, an English proficiency test like IELTS or OET will not be required here. Well, in Switzerland, there are 3 main languages used. Number 1 is Germany level B2, then is French level B2, and then is Italian CELI 3, which is B2 level. Now, other than this, please note that you have to travel to Switzerland to complete your adaptation course or additional training, whatever may be prescribed by the authority. And that is how you become a nurse in Switzerland. Now, if you find this video informative or helpful in any way, please like this video and share this with your nurse friends and colleagues who want to go to Switzerland. And if you are planning to build an overseas nursing career, Academically is the perfect choice for you. At Academically, we help not just nurses but also doctors, pharmacists, dentists, and other healthcare professionals as well. We have given a link in the description. Please fill that form and our experts will reach out to you and you will be able to get a one-on-one career counseling with us. So yeah, that's all for today. We'll meet again. Until then, bye. Take care.